Let's create custom stickers in CapCut. First, open CapCut and import your video to the timeline. Go to the top menu and click on Stickers. On the left menu, click and select AI Generated. This feature is free on my CapCut, but some people may not have it since CapCut made it a pro feature. To get started, click on the Showcase button. Here, you will find pre-installed stickers that you can customize by using their prompts. There is a wide range of styles available, from cartoon to 3D to pixel and more. When you find a style you like, hover over the image and click the blue Use Prompt button. If you prefer to write your own prompt, click on the text box and type in what you want, such as purple laughing sticker. Once you're done, click the Generate button. In a few seconds, you will get 4 results, which are often very accurate. Each sticker has a feedback button, a download button, and a plus button. Click the plus button to add the sticker to your timeline. Now go to the right menu and adjust the scale to your liking and move it wherever you want in your video. Now when we play the video, that's how the sticker will show up, but we can make it better by adding animations. Select the sticker on the timeline, go to the right menu and click on Animation. Here you can play around with the eye animation, choose the one that fits your style. You can adjust the out animation. Furthermore, there's also Loop, which keeps your sticker in motion at all times. Turn on your notification bell for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.